Okay, you see we got all the bezels off and all the knobs off. Now we only need to get these 4 screws off the front, off the sides actually. And you'll notice that this is manufactured really well. They thought about this because you can actually get at it from the front. And that makes it real easy to service. Some you have to take the whole barbecue out, or you have to hang it over precariously to get it to work. On, this is nice. And it just pulls right out. And there's all your gas valves and everything. Now this switch gets a lot of tension on it. And you've got to make sure that you watch, these are gas lines, so be very careful with those. A lot of times I'll just take the switch and I'll get the connectors off so they're not being sprung. And I'll just wiggle them with a screwdriver and they'll come right off. There's no positive or negative on them, so just take them off. So I'm going to show you how to replace one valve. Now you'll notice that valve I was talking to you is the back valve, the back rotisserie valve. That's it. All the others look the same. So we're just going to replace this one. And we'll take our number 8 socket and we'll just unscrew this right here. We try to do these pretty live so you can actually see that it's not all perfect. You're going to go through the same things, and even if you're a good DIYer, do-it-yourselfer, or you're just a seasoned installer, you'll find little quirky things that you need to remember. Now when this sits like this, you'll notice that this just hangs, and it's actually a clamp that clamps around and then pushes up on the screw, and it's a pressure fit, and this comes off. Typically what happens is the heat gets in here and just destroys that washer. Then you just put the new one in. Same way you took it out. I'm going to hang this and bring this around. Stick the screw back up inside. A little tricky, but you can get it. And actually when you have it this way, you can use the Phillips head on it and get it in as far as you can. You don't want to put a whole lot of pressure. It's just a snug fit. And you can tighten it just a little bit like that. You're done. Basically you put everything back in and that's it.